Hi everyone, welcome to Power BI desktop tutorial. In today's lecture, we are going to talk about advanced conditional formatting and we have aerial chart. If I need to calculate, I have the total orders and the target orders. If I have the total orders is bigger than the target orders, so I have positive value. If the target orders is bigger than the total orders, that may have minus value. So I'm gonna go for a new measure. Okay, okay, this is order target gap equal to, from here I have total order would be minus order target. Okay, click enter. We have order target from here. You can see it. Order target gap. Order target gap. Okay, take it copy and then a new measure and calculate copy best. This is order revenue. Revenue target gap. We have the total revenue. Have the total revenue minus revenue order. Revenue to minus revenue targets and click enter and then okay and then the third one, back again to new measure, copy and paste. This is for profit target gap. We have the total profits, we have the total profit minus profit target and click enter. Okay, so now let's gonna go click on the we have order. We have monthly order with target. Go for formatting. From formatting we have callout value. From callout value you can change the font size whatever you like, but from here we have the conditional formatting. So this is the normal conditional formatting menu, but from what we'll select the format style. This is rules, and what field should you base on this? We need depend on the gap. From here, this is order target gap. If the value is equal to or bigger than minimum and less than 0, if it's less than, if the value less than 0, that means this is my negative value. For negative, I'm gonna choose red. Gonna put red for negative value and a new rule. If value is equal to or greater than 0 and the value is equal to or less than maximum, then this is positive value. For positive value, I'm gonna keep it whatever you like. I'm gonna keep it this color. So if you click OK, and you can see you have 13, this is the total orders, and 28 the target, so you'll have minus value. Because the total orders minus the target orders, you'll have minus value. If you switch from here, you will have positive value. If you you have minus value. You can do the same, back again, back to the callout value. From here, go to the FX and rules. Select from here, gap, revenue target gap. If the value equal to or bigger than the minimum, the value and less than 0, then this is the red. And if the value is equal to or bigger than 0 and equal to or less than the maximum, I'm gonna keep it the same. This is red, I'm gonna keep it this color. So I'll have the same color. I'm gonna change this color, keep it like red, click OK. And from here we have the total revenue and 2000, and you have 4000 for the target, so you'll have minus value. You can do the same from here, close value, conditional formatting. From here we can choose gap, then profit target gap. This is not grading, this is rules. and same if the value is less than 0. Okay, gonna keep it red, and no rule equal to or greater than 0, and if the value equal to or less than the maximum, then this is supposed to be positive value. For positive value, can I keep this one? So you have both negative value and positive value. If you click OK, and now if you choose different products, you can easily understand if you have positive or negative. Bike or negative, and this is easy way to check your profits with the target, depend with different type of product. Okay, so there's some kind of advanced conditional formatting you can apply. The second things we have, let's gonna insert area chart. We can do it from here, but we have from here line chart. You can copy and go to production details and keep it here and make this one a little bit up, and you can adjust and keep it here. So I'm gonna do some modification. First of all, we have the title. This is weekly, not customers. We're talking about the product, weekly product. Maybe like that. And then I'm going to change the data type. This is start of the month. I'm going to keep it start of month. And from here we have total customers. I'm going to change the y-axis to have total. Okay, I have total profit. We have the total profit, and this is the start of the month. And from here, instead of you going, and you can select directly, is okay for aerial chart, but you can go from here and suggestions. You have aerial charts, you have stacked area chart. You can select whatever you like. You can select this is line and this is aerial chart. Double click, go to formatting, you can remove that. Okay, first of all we have shaded, and gonna add the shaded area. Okay, from here let's gonna remove the trend line. So we don't need the trend, so we're gonna keep only the shaded area, zoom line. Okay, and we also have lines. From lines we can change the color if you need. So we have the color from here, and change whatever color you like, depending on your purpose. It's easy to manipulate these areas, and just gonna keep this color. Gonna keep this color. Okay, can keep the transparency if you like, and shaded area. If you need the data labels, you can add it. You have it. You can easily manipulate the format. It's very straightforward. Okay, and just gonna copy this one. You can copy, paste, and now it's gonna add from here, gonna change the data label, and so for the y-axis I'm gonna add the total. I have total returns, and add the total returns, and with the start of the month. Okay, and you do the same. Okay, and you can do the same formatting. You have guideline. This is, you can apply the lines. You can change the color from here. You can do whatever you like. I'm gonna keep this color. And also you have the shaded area. Okay. And you can easily switch with the zoom slider, allow you to check all the months. So instead of, and there is another way to manipulate your chart. And instead of you going to add only start of month, so if you are looking for to add the day, month, year, you can, instead of a start of month, you can back again to the data from here and remove the start of month, add data. You can add the start of the month, but you add the data hierarchy. If you add the data hierarchy, allow you to draw up and down easy. If you need to check note of the month, you can check the day. You need to check quickly, or you need to check, can draw up and down, and you can see this is June, and allow you to easily switch between years, month, day, week. If you need to go for a specific, for example, you have in here the 1st of June, 2022. If you need to go for more days, you can just click and you go for this November. Okay, you can go deeper, and if you click everywhere, the data will be changing. And if you go for here, you can double click, back again, and back again if I need more details. And you can do the same with the weekly product. From here, you add start of month, you add data hierarchy, and you will have not just only the week. And you can easily switch up and down, so you can go for further levels. Okay, and you can add them manually. So if we can add them from here, any chart, you can see this is the start of week. You can remove it and you can add the start of week. You can add as a start of. You can add start of month, start of week, and then start of quarter, start of year, start of month, and we can add them manually without adding the data to data hierarchy and group them in one group. And you can easily from here switch between them. But you need to change you need to click on here to change the title, because revenue trending. Okay, and you can back from product details. Also, this is not weekly, this is product trending, and this is not weekly product. This is return. This is return trending, and not a product. And you can change the name, return trending. So this is how to add area charts, and instead of adding only 1 month, you can add data hierarchy, and you can easily drill up and down, and you can check all the products by days or week or month or year. If you switch now between products, everything's gonna change. Okay, so this is all you need to know in this lecture. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.